What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a girl elf on the shelf wearing her winter outfit. Let's begin this lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the eyes and leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We'll start with a curve coming down and we'll bend that up on the outside. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Coming down and then bending that up. Now I'm going to go all the way back over towards the left side and draw the top of the eye. I'm going to round this out at the top, almost like drawing a half oval. Come in and then back down on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way up towards the top, towards the same height. Round out the eye and then come down on the outside. Let's shift the eyes towards the left. We're going to start from the top left side, draw a circle, going around, come down, and just pull that in towards the bottom of the eye. Let's line this up on the right, going up, come down, and then in. Let's trace the inside of the eye. We're going to step down, just follow that curve, going all the way around, and then down towards the bottom. Let's go to the top left side of each pupil and draw a circle for a highlight. And then fill the inside of the pupils in black, going around that highlight. Now we're going to go to the top right side of each eye and add some lashes. Start with a curve going out and then up. Line that up on the right side. Go back to the inside and draw one more. Now move to the center of the head and draw on the nose. Let's start with the bottom edge. I'm going to curve this down and then up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to move down and draw in the mouth, starting over on the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's add a small bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's give our character some lips. In the center, start with a point. From this point, we're going to go up and then down towards the left, and the right side. Now let's draw on the lower lip. We're going to curve this down, and then back up. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the bottom corner of the eye, let's step out, curve the head, coming down and in, just underneath the mouth. Go across and then bend that back up towards the right. Now I want to work our way up towards the top of the head. Starting on the left, go around the eye, and then bend that in, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add in the hair. Starting on the top left, bend this down and across, coming in and up in the middle. Let's add another point, coming down towards the left eye. Just pull that back up towards the right. Let's add the eyebrows on the top. So start with the right side, going across and then down. Let's line this up on the right. We're just going to tuck this in behind the hair. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw on the hair. Let's start from the left side, bend this out, and then up. And then we'll connect these 2 points with a curve from the bottom of the hat, going across the middle, and then we'll bring that back down. Now we're going to work our way up towards the top of the hat. In the center of a page, we're going to go all the way up towards the top in the middle, start with a point. Now from this point, we're going to curve the hat going out and then down towards the left side. So we'll bend this out and then down. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Going across and then we'll bend that down. Let's add a curve for the brim of the hat. We're going to go up in the middle and then back down. Now I want to tuck the ears in behind the hair. Let's start on the left. Curve the ear going around, down, and then in. Let's line that up on the right side. Now add a fold inside the ear along the top. Let's give our character 2 small earrings, so add a circle on each side. Now I'm going to add some hair in behind the ears. Let's start on the left side, curve this around, and pull that up in behind the head on both sides. Now I'm going to place that scarf underneath the head. Let's start all the way over on the left side, curve this down, in towards the middle, and then pull that back up on the right side. And we'll draw the ends of the scarf coming down. Let's start in the middle, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the left. Go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. Let's round out the bottom, go out and bend that up. Now I'm going to angle this back up underneath the top of the scarf. Let's separate the bottom. We're going to step up, draw that same curve going across on both sides. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the scarf with a polka dot pattern. Let's start on the left side with a circle. Now I'm just going to repeat this all the way around the scarf, just tucking some up underneath the head and just working our way across. Now on the side of the scarf, let's draw the top of the arms. We're just going to bend this around and then in behind on both sides. And it'll cross the arms in the center. Let's start from the bottom left, draw a straight angle line coming down. Let's round out the hand, pull this up, and follow that same angle line going out towards the left side, in behind the scarf. Let's go over towards the right, angle this down, in behind the hand, step up, and draw that again. Now let's separate the hands. From the left side, go up with an angled line, do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw on the side of the skirt. Let's start from the bottom of the scarf, angle this down and out on both sides. Now you want to connect the ends with a wave. Let's start on the left, come around, up, and just continue this all the way over towards the right side. Now we're going to go back to the center, draw a straight line coming down the legs. Now let's draw the bottom of the left leg. Come down and bend that up. Go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Let's draw a straight line going back up towards the top on both sides. Now we're going to add a simple snowflake pattern on the left side. Let's start with a point in the middle. From here we're going to go up towards the top, round this out, and then come back down. Let's take that and flip it over along the bottom. Come down, and then up. Now I'm going to draw the same thing going out toward the side, going to the left, and then back in, and then towards the right. Let's draw one more in between these gaps. Start from the top left, and just work our way down towards the bottom and right. Now let's finish off our drawing by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a girl elf on the shelf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.